Hello guys, today will be so short. I want to just share with you some great results. So one thing I'm going to ask you, these results are not typical. So you can't make this result if you don't put yourself at work. And I can guarantee that you're going to make the same result like me. You can see this is a new affiliate program that I'm using right now. This is a paid per call. This company paid you. You can see $16 for flight company that can pay you. There are will pay you more than $16, $35 every time you make someone just make a call. These people have to make a call, and when they make the call, you make money. You can see this one can pay you $100 per sale if you refer people. But I just prefer the CPA offer where you make someone call. You can see this is health insurance bundle, $30 per call. And if you become a top affiliate, you generate more people to call them, you can get paid $35. So you can see for the past 30 days, I've made this amount, 13,500. I make this week 5,400. Today alone, I make $789. So you're gonna ask me how I generate traffic or find people for this. Google has what I call a service, Google Ads, where you can make people call you. Insurance. Let me show you an example. Lawyer, lawyer, lawyer firm in Los Angeles. You can see different type of these things where people make people call them. You can see this is an example. This is an ad, but the phone number of this person is here. So this company you see right here, let me show you guys. This company you see right here, when you promote this like a health and insurance, this is for people over 64 years old. You're gonna make an ad like this ad you see that I'm showing you. It's gonna be about health insurance. Let me see if I can find something about health insurance. You're gonna make that inside of Google, the Google Ads. You can see this is an example of health insurance. Example, this is an ad. You see the first one is an ad. This is an example. People make ad about health insurance. When someone click on your link and go and make a call for 90 seconds, you get paid $35. This is how I make this money. So let me go back and show you. So guys, you can see I have available for withdrawal. So I can withdraw right now if I want. $1,250, so I can withdraw right now if I want. So I have this amount 30,000. So you can imagine I don't spend a lot of money on my own for this product. I just run traffic, go to Google, run traffic. So I use a landing page. I don't use a landing page like ClickFunnels, but it will be better if you use ClickFunnels. But I use Blogger. This is a free ways you can generate this type of traffic. You can see on Blogger, I create some articles or I create some post related to the offer. You can see this is the health insurance that I'm talking about. So let me go back and click on it so you can see how it works. So if I click on this, people will have to click on this every single day. They will have to click. So what you will do, you will just copy this link. This is the link that you're gonna drive traffic when you are inside of Google Ads. So I'm not gonna go further and deep inside of Google Ads. I know every one of you knows Google Ad. So one thing you can do, you can use, and inside of Google Ads, you use the tool, the keyword planner, to see which keyword will help you and will make you more money. You can go to the discovery new keyword. You can type like health insurance and see what keyword suggestion that you're gonna get from keyword planner inside of Google Ads. So you're gonna see bunch of suggestion. You can see 1 million people covered California, and this is all the suggestion that they give you. Medical insurance, you can see this is all other keyword that you can use. You can just click on them, you copy every one of them, and you create your first ad campaign. You go to Google, you create your first ad campaign, and you're gonna get this result like this, a lot of clicks. And these clicks, you see, these are clicks that gonna drive me a lot of people who gonna call, and I'm gonna make money. So if I can go again to keyword planner, I can see search volume for this particular keyword. Let's say I just copy, let me just copy the health insurance, medical insurance. Before you make the ad, this is the thing that you do first to see how much you're gonna spend per click for this type of keyword, and if you're gonna be part of this competition. You can see 15,000 clicks has been generated for this type of keyword like health insurance, and you see the cost for the total of these clicks are 35,000. So people spent a lot for this, but the average CPC that people paid is around $2.28. So you're gonna put your bid or your average CPC $3. You know why? Because you want to beat the competition. Let's see, you see right here, this is why Google just suggests you to put it at $3, because the competition is $2 right here. So you have to be in the loop or in the game, so you can have a lot of clicks. You see how many clicks are available every single month. You can see 11,000 clicks. So I just need only 20 clicks per day to make almost 700. As you can see right here, let me show you. 20 people will have to call to make a call. Let me go again to this. You see this amount, it is for 20 people that click on this. So we will call from my number. So let me give you the example exactly. So when they come to the this is how my ad will appear, or this is a blog from blog post. Blogger is free, guys. You don't have to pay nothing for that. So you can go to Blogger, create your first post or your first article for free. You create your first blog. So you can see when people click call here, because they need the health insurance, so they will go to these things you see right here. These things you see right here, it is the affiliate offer. So if they call using this number, I'm gonna make 35 bucks every time someone click on this and call for this. Or if they click below and ask for a free quote, as you can see right here, get free quote, and when they click like this, they will have to answer some question. When they finish to answer, boom, the money is made. This is how I make it. So I will not be selling, as I said, guys. So this company, you can join them. This is Market Call. This is a place where you get paid to make people call some phone number and some services. So you just have to know how to make it, because in Google you can create what I call a calling ad. It's like call number. You can say call insurance, things like that. You're gonna see bunch of company who have phone call. You can see they put a lot of them put their phone number. When people contact them, they will see the phone number and call them. This is the same thing. All those people are affiliate links. All these things you see right here are not really the companies. Those are guys like you who are making pay per call. This is the new way of making affiliate marketing, guys. These results, as I says, are not typical, guys. I don't guarantee you that you're gonna make the same amount like me. So you see, for today, if I want to withdraw, I can withdraw this amount. So you can see I have this amount, which is the for this whole month. I have 13,000. So there is no charge on this. This is free. I can do everything I want with it. So if you want me to give you a one-on-one coaching, how to create some great ad and take any offer, any affiliate offer. So guys, please comment down below, tell that I want a free coaching call, and I will choose one of the best 3 comments, and I will give them 30 minutes of my time as a free phone call where I will lead you, I will show you how you can make this type of money. I don't guarantee that you're gonna make it, depend on your efforts, on your energy. So every time I show you how we make money on this channel, just to inspire you, you can live the dream that you want without being able, without having to go to work every single day for someone. So it was your boy Vanel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, before you leave, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because it is the channel about making money online, and watch my other video about how to make an ad on YouTube, so when you find any offer you can have this result like you see in the screen. It was your boy Vanel. Bye bye.